the biggest headline today was that arrest warrants have finally been issued against Zaldico, no, and 17 others. But what's next? No, what mechanisms are there for the government to bring Zaldico back home?
Well, all the law enforcement agencies of government will be compelled to execute that warrant or to serve that warrant. But we all know he's abroad and hiding. So most probably, the Republic of the Philippines and our law enforcement agencies will request the Interpol to assist them in serving the warrant. They will also alert our consular officials so that they can make representations in the countries where he is suspected to be to help give information and help in the arrest. Maaari naman gawin yan. At dapat yan ang ginagawa nila.
From the beginning, this was what the first step that they were asking for, di ba? Wala pa nga arrest warrant, paano natin siya papauwiin? The trigger. So, simula dito, since meron ng arrest warrant, does it follow, Attorney Egon, na pwede nang pakansela yung passport, pwede nang sumulat sa Interpol at humingi ng tulong nila?
Well, iba yung warrant of arrest. Hindi naman yan requirement for the cancellation of passport. The prosecution has to file a motion with the court because it will be the court that will give the orders. No? So, ika-cancel yung passport. Once the passport is canceled, to undocumented alien siya. So, even under the internal rules of any country where he is found, ang kanilang duty is to deport. And most national laws naman would say that if a foreigner is undocumented, he is deported back to his home country. That will mas mabilis din yan. Dapat ginagawa yan sabay-sabay. Meron pa yung hindi pa natin nakikita is the prosecution requesting for preliminary remedies under the rules of the Sandigan Bayan para ma-attach na yung mga kayamanan nila, ari-arian nila na maaring managot in case they are adjudged guilty by the court. Hindi pa natin nakikita yan. Pwede yan eh. Kasi importante yan kasi baka na naman may spirit away, may tago o may transfer ang kanilang mga assets na pwedeng panggagalingan ng pagpalit o kaya pagsoli nung ninakaw nila.
Attorney, last question. What if, we're not sure, but what if my second citizenship sees Zaldico? Will that totally negate this whole cancellation of passport thing? Or will the Interpol help be enough to compel him to come back?
Yeah, the Interpol will still do that, regardless of whether or not we have an extradition treaty with the country where he is in, or whether or not he has a dual citizenship. Meron pa ring treaty obligation ang Interpol to help our local enforcement agencies, especially so that a warrant of arrest has been duly issued after due process by a competent court in our jurisdiction.